Here's how to fix Adobe Photoshop not opening on Windows. Try these solutions one by one until Photoshop starts working again. First, open the Start menu and search for Adobe Photoshop. Right-click Photoshop and select Open File Location. In the folder that opens, right-click the Photoshop shortcut and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, then enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now, try launching Photoshop again. If Photoshop still won't open, the next step is to check your Windows Firewall settings. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Open it, then select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the left-hand side. Click Change Settings and look for Adobe Photoshop in the list. If Photoshop is already listed, make sure both private and public network access are enabled. If Photoshop isn't listed, click Allow another app and select Browse. Navigate to the folder where Photoshop is installed. This is usually located inside the C drive under Program Files. Then go to Adobe, followed by your Photoshop installation folder. Find the photoshop.exe file, select it, and click Add. Once Photoshop has been added to the list, make sure both private and public are checked. Then click OK. Try opening Photoshop again to see if the problem is resolved. If you're still unable to launch Photoshop, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application. Go to the Apps section and try launching Photoshop directly from there. If Photoshop still doesn't open, the next step is to restart your graphics driver. Open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, then expand Display Adapters. Find your graphics card, right-click it, and select Disable Device. Confirm the action when prompted. Wait a few seconds, then right-click the graphics card again and select Enable Device. Now try launching Photoshop again. If you're still having problems, a third-party plugin could be preventing Photoshop from starting. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder where Photoshop is installed. Then open the Photoshop folder and find the Plugins folder. Open it, then press Ctrl+A to select all the plugins. Move them to another folder temporarily, such as a backup folder on your desktop. If Windows asks for permission, click Continue. Once all the plugins have been moved out, try launching Photoshop again. If Photoshop now opens normally, one of your plugins is likely causing the problem. You can move the plugins back one at a time and launch Photoshop after each one to identify which plugin is causing the issue. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.